In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Project Mujutsu on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access Project Mujutsu and play it on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 console. Something that I want to make very clear is that while you can access the experience and you will be able to do most actions such as walk around, move, dash, airwalk, and so on, some stuff is going to be limited, so keep that in mind. I recommend that you try the experience on your console and you see if you like to play it there. If you don't, it is best to switch over to your phone or your PC. Regardless, all that you have to do is open Roblox on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 and using the search function, look for Project Mujutsu. When you look for Project Mujutsu, you will be able to select the first experience that pops up. So as you can see right now, it is shortened to PM, but you can notice that this is the official experience because of the fact that it is made by Osiris Productions and because it has almost 75 million views. So all that you have to do now is join. So you can clearly notice that I am recording this process on my PC using a gamepad, and when you join the experience on your PlayStation 4, you will obviously be limited to your controller only and not a keyboard and mouse. Regardless, you can still use the controller to join, so you will be able to use the options button to hover around the menu and select the options, and once you load into the experience, for the most part, it is going to be playable. Like I said, there are some limitations. So for example, if you try to change accessories, you might encounter problems while doing it. So it is best if you switch over to your PC or a phone to change them there and then go back to here. But most buttons should be mapped here and you will be able to do a lot of actions and play on your controller. You can, like I said, try to play, see if you like it, and if you don't, then all that you have to do is switch over to a different platform. You will be able to have all of your save and all of your progress transferred over when you switch, so you can play on multiple different platforms if you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Project Mujutsu on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.